Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management Center will be using artificial intelligence to enhance destinations worldwide. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett gave details at the third staging of the Global Tourism Resilience Conference on Monday. Details in this report.
Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management Center GTRMC is set to revolutionize the tourism industry with the introduction of AI-driven initiatives. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says this move will be aimed at improving the tourism industry. GTRCMC is an entity that helps tourism stakeholders worldwide prepare for, manage, and recover from a crisis.
Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management will be rolling out a series of AI-driven initiatives designed to enhance destinations worldwide, from dedicated training and capacity building programs to thought leadership and advocacy efforts.
Mr. Bartlett says tourism stakeholders globally will be equipped with cutting-edge skills that will help the industry to be more agile and future-ready.
We aim to reshape the industry, making it more agile, inclusive, and future-ready. These initiatives collectively stand to transform global tourism. They illustrate how resilient building efforts can range from environmental sustainability to public health, from heritage preservations to digital innovation.
He also called on the world to reflect on its building capacity to understand how to navigate disruptions of the future.
We invite each and everyone from across the world to embrace the essence of tourism resilience, not just as a means of being able to track, mitigate, manage, recover, and thrive after disruptions, but as a means of ensuring sustainable development and growth.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.
One great studio company has announced a major strategic acquisition. It has taken over the business operations of DRT Communications, a leading public relations and media intelligence firm. The transaction, valued at $115 million, includes a $35 million performance-based earnout to be realized over the next 3 years. The acquisition marks a significant step in the expansion strategy as it aims to enhance its digital marketing and media services portfolio. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 352 points today, while the junior market index declined by 15 points. There were 39 advancers. They include ISP Finance Services, Pulse Investments, Kintyre Holdings, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and First Rock Real Estate Investments. The 48 stocks that lost were led by Consolidated Bakeries, T-Tech, JMMB Group 7.15%, Edufocal, and G West Corporation. 27 stocks traded firm. In foreign exchange trading today, the Jamaican dollar made gains across the board. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $158.31. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.89. $196.92 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $165.58. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.